Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about Venus transit in Aries sign from 10th of April, 6:14 a.m. to 4th of May, 1:09 p.m. You know very well my all prediction are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with the moon sign or zodiac sign. Just keep your ascendant sign in your mind and listen my video. You will definitely get some information related to Venus transit in Aries sign. So, guys, first of all, I let you know about the Venus, what Venus denotes. Venus denotes your love life. Venus represent your luxurious life, your finance, your love life, your spouse, your lover, your sexual life, your happiness after marriage, your life partner, your spouse, your all around success related to your happiness or success related to your marriage life. If you have a strong Venus, you will enjoy a lot of comforts. If you have a good Venus in your birth chart, you will definitely be blessed with a wonderful spouse, and your spouse will always help you and support you. So today I'm going to talk about Venus transit in Aries sign from 10th April to 4th May 2021. Let's talk for Aries ascendants. Aries ascendants, Venus transit in your first house. Aspecting is on your 7th house. If you are in a love affair, if you are in a living relationship, your relationship will turn in marriage life. You will be blessed with a lot of success related to your personal life. Your spouse will support you. If you're already married, your spouse will support you. Your family will support you. Your business partners will support you. You may start something new related to your business, related to your source of earning. Your source of earning will develop. Your self-respect will improve. Venus transit in your first house, you will success related to your marital life as well as your personal life and professional life. You will enjoy very good comforts. You will enjoy very good finance. Cash flow will make you happy. You will enjoy all round success. Let's talk for that Taurus ascendants. Taurus ascendants, Venus transit in your 12th house. You need to be careful. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you, but those native who are willing to settle in foreign land through PR or work permit, they are blessed with a visa, they are blessed with a work permit or PR if they are already applied, because ascendants Lord transit in your 12th house. But some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. Your savings and your expenditures will be unbalanced, but overall Venus is very comfortable in 12th house in Kalpurus chart. You will definitely blessed with a lot of gains. You will definitely blessed with a short and long distance journeys. You will blessed with a lot of comforts because Venus is in your 12th house, your ruling planet, your ascendant Lord transit in your 12th house. Don't trust on any stranger. Don't try to do anything beyond your limitations. So be in your limitation, don't spend your money as a wastage. Try to save your money in your saving account. It will help you in future. Overall, this Venus transit will brings you a lot of comforts, peace of mind, and foreign related activities will make you happy. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants. Gemini ascendants, your ruling planet, your 5th house Lord transit in your 11th house. 11th house is a house of fulfillment of wishes and desires. And Venus transit in your 11th house, your desires will be fulfilled. If you have a Venus Mahadasha or Antardasha in your birth chart, you will definitely blessed with a lot of gains. Those native who are already investing their money in stock market or in intraday, they will blessed with a big amount of money. Your old investment led to stock market will give you fruitful result, because 11th house transit Venus aspecting is on your 5th house. You will blessed with some unexpected money, because 5th house is a house of Lakshmi Stan, and your affair will turn in your marriage life. You will enjoy all around success, peace of mind, name, fame, prosperity. Overall, this whole time Venus transit in your 11th house, you will get support from higher authority. You will blessed with a lot of gains. You will earn money from multiple sources of earning. Gemini, you need to perform best. This time will brings a lot of happiness, because Jupiter is in 9th house and Venus transit in your 11th house. You will definitely gain a lot of money and a lot of unexpected gains. Materialistic gains are there. So now I'm going to talk about Cancer ascendants. Cancer ascendants, as per your birth chart, Venus transit in your 10th house. Your professional life will grow. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. You will enjoy a lot of money from your work. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. You will get name, fame, position from your workplace. If you are unemployed, you will get job. Cancer, perform your best. Try to find a job. This time from 10th April to 4th of May 2021, you will definitely get job. You will definitely blessed with a big amount of money as a profit from your business. This whole time, your father will support you. Your family will support you. You will enjoy very good time. You will enjoy all around comforts. But don't trust on strangers. Just try to perform your best in your personal life as well as professional life. You will definitely grow a lot. Now I'm going to talk about Leo Ascendant. Venus started transit in your ninth house. Venus is not a very beneficiary planet for you, but transit in your Navam Bhav, it will give you lot of strength to click your all pending work. It will give you a lot of strength to achieve new goals or make new targets. Venus transit in your ninth house will definitely brings good luck for you related to your personal life, related to your finance, related to your savings, and your confidence level will be sky high, and you will perform best at your workplace, and your all pending work will click because Jupiter is in your seventh house. Jupiter is in seventh and Venus is in ninth. This yoga create a very good combinations, and you will definitely blessed with a big amount of money through your good luck, through your fortune. You will blessed with a lot of gains during this time. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo Ascendant. Venus transit in your eighth house. You need to be careful about your health. You need to be careful while driving. Don't do anything wrong related to your business profession, or don't cross your boundaries. This time Venus transit in your eighth house in your ashtam bhav is not very promising transit for you. Your health will be matter of concern. Stomach related trouble, backbone related trouble will irritate you. This whole time from 10th April to 4th May, you will be under tension, depression, stress, and you are not performing well the way you want to perform. You are under performance. So this whole time, Virgo, you need to perform your best, think positive and think big. This period will brings you a lot of up and downs, but overall you will achieve small things from 10th April to 4th May. Don't sign any document without advice of any experts, because Venus is in eighth house. You need to be careful about your health. You need to be careful while eating habits. Don't eat oily food or junk food or market food. Try to eat homemade food. That will be helpful a lot, and try to enhance some proteins. It will be helpful for you. Otherwise, you will be a part of any health related issues. So you need to be careful and alert. Now I'm going to talk about Libra Ascendant. Venus transit in your Saptam Bhav. Your source of earning will develop. Your self-respect will improve. Your spouse will support you. Your loved life will be better. Your spouse will listening you and understand your feelings and emotions. Venus transit in your Saptam Bhav, you will enjoy all-around success, gain, good fortune is in your favor. Your source of earning will develop, and you will enjoy all-around comforts. Libra, your ascendant Lord transit in your Saptam Bhav, 7th house. You will definitely blessed with a lot of business partnerships. You will definitely blessed with a lot of business opportunities. A lot of people wants to start work with you because your ascendant Lord transit in your 7th house from 10th April to 4th of May. This whole time you will be sky high and top. Your source of earning will develop. Your competitor are not able to stand in front of you. This whole time brings a lot of peace of mind. Success, good gains are there. You just need to perform your best, think big, think good, and perform your best. You will definitely blessed with a lot of achievements. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio Ascendant. Venus transit in your 6th house. Your 7th Lord and your 12th Lord transit in your 6th house. Aspecting is on your 7th house. Your unexpected expenditures will irritate you. Some foreign related transactions will make you happy. You will enjoy all-round success related to foreign activities. This time, if you are willing to settle in foreign land, if you are applying from PR or work permit, you will definitely get visa, because your 7th Lord aspecting is on your 12th house. Work related foreign activities will make you happy. Finances will be excellent. Some foreign transactions will make you happy. One of your friend or your near or dear may support you from foreign land in the terms of your finance, in the terms of your investments. This whole time brings a lot of success, peace of mind related to foreign activities. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius Ascendant. Venus transit in your 5th house. You will blessed with some small amount from old investments. You may blessed with this, some small amount from stock market, some intraday, but this from 10th April to 4th of May, your love life will be sky high. Your spouse will support you. Your loved will support you. You may involve in a new relationship. 5th house, Venus transit, you will definitely involve in a new, affair, any type of friendship or affair. This whole time brings lot of success for you related to your personal life as well as your professional life. You will earn some additional earning because Venus is in your Pancham Bhav. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn Ascendant. Venus transit, Venus is a ruling planet for you and transit in your fourth house. You will enjoy mentally comfort. You will enjoy a good homely atmosphere. This whole time, 10th April to 4th of May, you will be sky high and top. Your family will support you. Your mother will support you. This whole time, your savings will rise and you will perform best at your workplace. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. You may promoted. Your salary may rise this whole time from 10th April to 4th of May. You will definitely blessed with a lot of gains, peace of mind, success, all around comforts, lot of savings are there, lot of peace of mind are there. Capricorn, just perform your best in the terms of your personal relationship, because Saturn still aspecting is on your 7th house. When you are talking with your spouse, you need to give some respect and honor to your spouse. Otherwise, you will be sky high and top. You will enjoy this Venus transit in your 4th house with lot of good events will happen. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius Ascendant. Aquarius Ascendant, Venus is your ruling planet, transit in your 3rd house. Your confidence level will be sky high. You will achieve lot of goals. Your siblings will support you, or you may support your siblings. Some long distance and short distance journeys will make you happy. And this whole time, your neighbors will support you, your friends will support you. 3rd house Venus transit. If you are in an affair, your lover or your spouse or your lover will support you. This time, good fortune is in your favor. Your mud will turn in gold. Your old pending work will click. Some long distance journeys or long distance investments will make you happy. This whole time, Aquarius, you will be sky high and top, when you will enjoy a lot of comforts, peace of mind. Success are there. You just need to perform your best. The more you put efforts, the more you put hard work at your workplace, the more you get fantastic results, because Venus transit in 3rd house, aspecting is on your 9th house. 9th house is a house of your good luck, your good fortune, your beliefs. So you will definitely grow a lot during this transit, and Jupiter is already transit in your 1st house. You will definitely blessed with a lot of gains, success are there, and a lot of happy and enjoyable events will knock you. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces Ascendant, Venus transit in your 2nd house. Your family will support you, your savings will rise, you will earn a lot of money, and your savings will be far better compared to last few months or few weeks. This whole time, Pisces, the more you give respect to your elders at home, the more you blessed with good gains. Venus transit in your 2nd house from 10th April to 4th of May 2021. This time, if you give respect to your loved one or your spouse or your elders at home, you will definitely blessed with a big amount of money, and your savings will rise. Your family will support you. Your eating habits will rise. You will enjoy good food. This whole time, 10th April to 4th of May 2021, you will enjoy a lot of comforts, peace of mind, success, savings, and lot of good moments which you are going to spend with your family. Your family will support you. This is one of the biggest events will happen from 10th April to 4th of May 2021. So you should give respect to your elders and spouse at your home. You will definitely achieve lot of goals, and Venus is very comfortable in 2nd house. In Kalpurush chart, Venus is very comfortable, and it will give you fantastic results if you have Antardasha, Mahadasha, or any type of Patentar Dasha of Venus in your natal chart. So must consult with your nearest astrologer. He will guide you which type of planet you have, which Mahadasha or Antardasha is running right now on your birth chart. Thank you for watching my video. I'm praying for your happy future. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.